dedicate this song to the Chili Peppers and to Lucy and Daisy, Marie and Natalie's dogs, and Marie and Natalie, who are not dogs. I did. So wonderful when your voice is high, but not when you suck helium out of a balloon when it has harsh chemicals. It will make my brain cells die, even though I don't have any. But I must have some, because I wouldn't be able to play this song. And if I didn't have any, I would look like this. And you would know those who didn't, because they'd be like Grandpa when they sit in front of the TV.